The Maine State Nurses Association is backing a member who is now in federal custody. That union holding an emergency protest right at Maine Medical Center today, demanding the release of Deborah Capiscia.
ICE agents detained her while she was at Logan International Airport last week. Our Sam Olson is live at Maine Medical Center in Portland with more on what the union is now demanding. Hi, Sam.
Hi, Brian and Amanda. The union earlier announced that Deborah Capiscia was not going to be transferred to Louisiana today, as expected. Now the union is calling on ICE to release her and is asking Maine Health to do more.
She is not a file. She is a nurse. Yeah. She is a protector. That's right. She is a giver. Yes. She's one of us. She is one of us.
One of them. The Maine Nurses Association says Capiscia is legally authorized to live and work in the United States while her asylum case from Zambia was being processed.
I've gotten to know her as a nurse, as a person, and even as a friend, and I consider her to be like my family away from my family.
Fellow nurse Sarah Shaw says Capiscia brings integrity, kindness, and work ethic to her job every day.
I was just working with her last week. I gave her a ride home after a long shift together. And I can't stop thinking about her.
Union members and some political candidates, including gubernatorial candidate Hannah Pingree and a statement from U.S. Senate hopeful Troy Jackson, called to abolish ICE. Meanwhile, the union is also very fed up with Maine Health because they believe the hospital should, in their words, do the right thing and sponsor Capiscia's green card for permanent residency. Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security says Capiscia's visa expired in 2024 and she failed to leave.
Lead the rest of your employees and other employers around the state in showing compassion, empathy, and resolve in the face of injustice.
Maine Health responded, saying it has reached out to the congressional delegation to learn more about Capiscia's case. A leader with the hospital system wrote, "They are concerned, especially because it appears Capiscia was living and working here legally." Maine Health said all of its employees are thoroughly vetted. DHS tells us Capiscia will remain in ICE custody pending the outcome of her removal proceeding.
We stand because her story matters. We stand because her freedom matters. We stand because she has spent her life lifting people up, and now it is our turn to lift her.
The union also criticized Maine Health for working with the company Palantir. It uses AI for mass data collection and also works with ICE and DHS. Maine Health has said the technology is used to help patients challenge claim denials, yet union members want the hospital to pick a different vendor. The union will be holding a protest about that in a few weeks. Amanda?
Sam Olson live for us in Portland tonight. Thank you, Sam.